When your mom and dad used to say, you better get good grades or it's gonna go on your permanent record, right? Well, a LEXISNEXIS really might be the permanent record that they was referring to. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress and dispute that information from getting out to other credit bureaus. Cue the video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember guys, by doing so, it allows us to get to a wider audience and it allows us to keep producing the content that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. Guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q. I created the first software that allow you guys to fix and repair your own credit and put your credit repair experience into your own hands. Now guys, let's jump directly into this video guys. I'm super excited about this video. A LEXISNEXIS is probably a stick in your butt, a thorn in your butt, and you probably don't even realize it. And I'm gonna tell you why. A LEXISNEXIS basically record all of your information from when you basically start school. So if you go and pull your LEXISNEXIS credit report, you won't be surprised to find that majority of your high school transcripts all the way down to elementary school, middle school is on the LEXISNEXIS credit report. It was on mine. It completely shocked me. The criminal history, the traffic history, the materials that my roof is made out of. So when I bought my house, they kept a record of the lumber, the type of lumber that was used to construct my roof. It was completely bizarre, guys. But outside of a LEXISNEXIS actually being an invasive credit report, it basically is a way for the credit bureaus to easily verify your information, right? So you probably don't understand this, but if you dispute, say you dispute with TransUnion, right? TransUnion is going to go to a company like, say, Stream or LEXISNEXIS, and they're going to pull the information associated with that particular account. Now, once they pull that information and that account is basically saying that everything associated with it is correct, then they basically send you back a letter saying that it is verified, right? Verified letters they suck because they put you in a stuck position because it's verified. But you have to go another step beyond the verification. See, what you probably don't understand is that they have to actually provide documentation on how they verify the process, right? But what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to look into suppressing the LEXISNEXIS information. So when they go to LEXISNEXIS to pull the information on your file, they won't get anything because you have opted out, right? So you basically making them actually run an actual investigation. Instead of going to another platform where all the data is already recorded, they have to actually run an investigation within that 30-day time frame. Now, when they have to do that and go around those channels, it makes that 30-day window very small. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dispute it. I'm going to give you a template on our software. I'm going to dive into the software and basically allow you guys to see exactly how simplified the process is and basically the language that you need to input on your dispute letter. So if you're going to use the software, we are running a $1 trial. The link is in the description. And you can either use the software or write this out manually. You can pause it in between the video, but yeah, let's dive straight in. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is basically the back office, right? So I want you guys to send out this letter to LEXISNEXIS basically asking them to freeze your account. So this will be your information, your name, your address, your social, your date of birth, and this will be a LEXISNEXIS information. And this is basically the back office. This is basically automatically populated for you to basically send it off, but this is the language that I want you guys to put. To whom it may concern, I'm requesting a security freeze to be placed on my consumer disclosure report. I opt out of disclosing future information until further notice, including the clue report and other reports furnished LEXISNEXIS regarding all personal information of mine. The security freeze request not only restricts credit bureaus and creditors, but also future potential employees until I lift the restriction. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you are required to comply. I know that your company will need some sort of verification to prove my identity. My information is clearly shown above. I sent this notarized letter via certified mail to confirm my identity and ensure that this request will be processed. So basically, guys, this is actually what you need to send out. So you guys can pause the video at this point and copy this down, or like I said, you can subscribe to the software. We are running a trial for $1. But guys, this is exactly what you need to put into your letter, and make sure that you send out the letter certified mail, and you keep records of everything pertaining to this. Now, you send this out. I want you to send this out with a copy of your social security card and also your driver's license. Guys, this is it. Once you do this, there will be a security freeze placed on your LEXISNEXIS credit report, and it will make the verification process hard. So, guys, all you need is to send this information out. Make sure it's certified mail, and make sure that you send out with the driver's license and social security number. Guys, this is it. This is all you need. Guys, if you need any type of help pertaining to this, don't be scared to reach out to us at support@creditdisputecloud.com. We will answer any questions pertaining to the software or pertaining to this letter in particular. Guys, until next time, please take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Bye.